everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I just opened my Bella Sephina. It came in this box. It had wonderful, beautiful tissue paper wrapped around it. Sandy over at Bella Sephina does not hold back. You also get a certificate of authenticity so that you know it's a legit, legally licensed work. And I just want to take you through a little bit of what's going on here. Oh my gosh. So first, this is called Snow Sweet. Now I had purchased this back November, it was from September 2020. I received it November 2020. Didn't open it until just now, a year later. It's got this beautiful sparkle canvas with the serging. So if it does fray, it's going to stop at the serge. It is like a felt background or back. And look at these, very easy to read symbols, very clear. It does have the circles around the white. Now, sometimes I don't like that because you can see the black through it, but we'll live. It is poured glue, nice and sticky. You can see there, it doesn't go out far. I do use a fun washi tape that matches whatever color the canvas is prominent with, just to have some fun. I love the star up here. Look at all that pink in the background. This is Sherri Baldy's cute little faces she draws. Now what drew me to this, why I purchased it, was for the little animals. This cute little bird, and then there was this cute little deer on the left. I'm going to try to show you this cute little deer on the right. How adorable is this deer? You do get the key on the top and the bottom. She does have Paint Your World Beautiful. Very clear to see. One thing I am going to be doing is trying myself. If you see here, she's got boots right here, and it goes right into the package. So I may make the package a different color than the boots. So the package is $37.56. That is this color, which has a slight green tint to it, but it's the color they usually use for snow. As once you place it down, it looks very white. I may change the color of that package because her boots are so cute. I want the boots to stick out, and as you can see in this, the boots will not stick out. It'll go right into the package. So that's something I'm going to work on. But everything else, super cute. It does come with two ABs. So you've got a green AB. How fun. And there was a pink. Crinkle, crinkle. Let me show you here. Pour these out. Here's the pink AB. So fun. AB stands for Aurora Borealis. How fun are all these colors? You got this deep wine color. You've got this beautiful pink color. I can't wait to kit this up. I'm going to kit this up after this video. You've got some purples in here, some navies, a little bit of black, not too much. So yes, these colors are going to be gorgeous. And I've used this type of packaging before from factories, and the drills are phenomenal. So I'm very excited that she's using this drill company. So I hope you enjoy this. Go check out bellasephina.com. She's got a brand new website. She's got different artistry up there. I can't wait to see what she has coming out next. I love what she has going on in her small business, and you know, it's support your small business during the holidays. So everyone, take care. Love you all. This is going to be one of my December projects. I'm super excited. What is your December project? Are you crocheting? Are you cross stitching? Are you loom knitting? Are you diamond painting? I'd love to know down in the comments. So until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.